Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Baker, let's go! You're on! Bruni?
Holy!
Are you all right?
Yes?
We're all so proud of you for being...
You didn't know you had.
Yo, I've never been off-road!
Well, that's gonna change right now. Hello.
Buy one tire, I give you 7 snow tires for free. Done, you're interested, you call me.
Huh? Oh, sure. That's a very popular flavor. Huh? Whoa!
Never properly introduced myself. Finn McMissile, British Intelligence.
Tomica.
Oh, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now. This ain't right.
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course! I hereby dub thee Sir Mate.
Yes, sir, I am, but there are, a lot more of them, so it takes longer when...
Well, sure you can, Mac. Look, it'll be easy. I'll stay up with you.
All night?
All night.
Ven, tractorcito. Ven aquí. Sí, qué gran tractor. No, 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 no. Ven.
What's going on, ladies? All right now, let's have us a little look-see.
It's huge upset.
Neither Lightning or Bobby ever...
Strong enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you breathing?
Did like this too.
Francesco, I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Sally.
It is official. Hey! Was that floating like a Cadillac? Or was that stinging like a Beamer?
Yeah, I drive. Don't you big city race cars ever just take a drive?
No.
Word, sweet pea. My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time. Yeah, sure thing, man. No problem.
So proud. Thank you, King. Well, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least I could do.
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government. They're feeding us up.
You made it again. Okay, I'm off.
Perché devo fare sta cosa?
Guido. a nodder.
McQueen tiene que alcanzarlo. Está intentando por dentro. ¡Wow! Es como un...
Valuable dent? Oh, she's as crazy as Mater.
Those two are perfect for each other.